Across the industry, storage teams are hitting the same wall. Flash prices have doubled. Budgets have not. Projects that made sense a year ago no longer do. Refresh cycles get pushed, capacity gets cut, putting SLAs at risk. Or teams accept compromises they already know will cause problems later on. This is not a planning failure, it's an architectural one. Most storage systems still assume all data belongs on flash. But in real enterprise environments, data behaves very differently. Data is written fast, processed briefly, and then it goes cold. 90 to 99% of enterprise data becomes inactive shortly after creation. That data does not need flash performance. Yet organizations are still paying flash prices for it, and cutting capacity does not solve the problem. Backup data is already compressed. Medical imaging data is compressed by design. Video and analytics data is compressed at the source. There's no more efficiency to extract, only unnecessary flash costs baked into the architecture. This is exactly the reality StorONE was built for. StorONE's AI smart auto-tiering keeps performance where it actually matters, on flash, and automatically moves cold data to low-cost HDDs inside of a single volume. No migrations, no secondary systems, no manual tiering policies. Because everything happens inside one volume, data never moves between arrays. Protection, immutability, and recovery remain intact at all times, even at scale. The result is what stalled projects need to move forward. Flash-level performance where it matters, 50 to 70% lower total cost, and storage designs that finally get approved. If you are running AI pipelines, medical imaging, video QA and surveillance workloads, backup, or ransomware recovery, this problem is already in front of you. The flash crisis is not temporary. Waiting will not fix it. Architectures built on the assumption of unlimited flash are already failing. Performance, protection, and cost can no longer be trade-offs. They must be delivered together by design. StorONE aligns storage economics with how data actually behaves. This is not an optimization. This is the storage architecture enterprise environments now require. StorONE, the only cost-efficient storage platform.